watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello everyone, welcome to a collection of simple and delightful summer centerpiece ideas. Let's explore how you can effortlessly elevate your summer decor with these charming creations. From zesty citrus accents to delicate floral arrangements, these ideas are designed to add a touch of freshness and cheer to your living space. Lemons to lemonade. Embrace the quintessential summer fruit by creating a stunning centerpiece with fresh lemons. Incorporate a mix of painted wood trays, custom ceramics, and a bouquet of roses and lemons for a vibrant and refreshing look. Baby's Breath and Eucalyptus. For a subtle yet elegant touch, opt for Baby's Breath and Eucalyptus arrangements. Swap out bright colors for burlap-wrapped roses and let the white flowers and greenery. Ceramics and greenery. Stick to neutral tones with ceramic vases and pearls arranged on a wooden board. Add a splash of greenery to enhance the natural beauty of the centerpiece. Sunflowers and daisies. Go back to basics with a charming combination of sunflowers and daisies, channeling a vintage aesthetic with a checkerboard pattern that tied together with a rustic twine ribbon. Simply tulips. Let bright pink tulips steal the show with their bold simplicity. Whether adorning your dining table or living room, these vibrant blues add a cheerful touch to any space. Summertime growth. Embrace the spirit of growth and abundance with a centerpiece featuring wooden boards adorned with white ceramics and lush greenery, perfect for plant enthusiasts. Citrus and blossoms. Infuse your space with bold summer colors by incorporating oranges and pinks into your centerpiece. Fill a vase with sliced oranges and complement it with pink blossoms and baby's breath for a refreshing display. Mason jar holder. Get creative with a DIY mason jar holder. Utilize a wooden box with drilled holes to hold mason jars filled with vibrant flowers, offering a whimsical and personalized touch to your centerpiece. Floating candles. Elevate the ambience with floating candles adorned with roses for a romantic summer centerpiece, whether placed indoors or outdoors. Eucalyptus in vases. Simplify your centerpiece with eucalyptus-filled vases that exude natural beauty and tranquility. Opt for foul plants to avoid any mess and enjoy the calming aroma of eucalyptus throughout. Tinted jars and bright flowers. Strike a balance between bright and moody tones with tinted vases and vibrant pink flowers. This unique combination adds depth and character to your centerpiece. Citrus and rosemary jars. Embrace creativity with citrus and rosemary-filled jars topped with tea lights for a whimsical summer centerpiece. Adds a refreshing aroma and vibrant colors to your home. White ceramics and greenery. Minimalism with white ceramics, lemon candles, and potted plants for a clean and refreshing centerpiece. Ideal for those seeking a simple yet elegant decor option. Lemons and candles table runner. Make a statement with a table runner adorned with lemons and candles for a fresh and inviting centerpiece, adding a touch of zest to your dining experience. With these fresh and cheerful summer centerpiece ideas, you can effortlessly transform your home into a vibrant oasis of warmth and beauty. Whether you prefer bold colors or subtle accents, there's something for everyone to enjoy as you celebrate the joys of the season.